In this incredible 17-part series, we take you down a Blender workflow deep dive by using mostly free open source software like Blender, Google Maps, and Panui. You'll learn how to create a stunning 360-degree virtual tour just like this. So, grab yourself a cuppa and let's get stuck in. This is Lesson 7, Blender Modeling Part 2. So we're at the point where Libri are going to start modeling using the image as a guide. And what I do is I'll go through the different windows and doors and see what's similar and what I have to build. Like I said, if it looks like from this building, that's the same window, build one of them, and then I can copy paste them. Now that door looks fairly unique. It looks similar to this one, but that's definitely different, so you might be able to do a bit of build one and then modify it. So you just got to plan what you're going to do. Like I said, I just took that corner out so I can build it on my perpendicular, so it makes things easier. And then when it's all done, I'll do that 45-degree angle and then stick it in here. Again, here's a unique looking piece that we're going to do. These details on the corner, those are fairly easy. And I just have much of build one, and we can just copy paste that. So just get an idea of what we're building. Like I said, these all look fairly. You get one of those, build one of these. These are all kind of similar. And I was doing a few of the buildings on the other side, so I might be able to cannibalize some of the buildings, copy paste using those. I'm not going to rebuild all this stuff. And this is what happens when you start building these buildings. Stuff starts becoming repetitive, and you can reuse what you've done, so you're not doing the stuff from scratch all the time. So the next process is going to be very similar to what you'll see on most of the YouTube videos. You'll come in here and you'll do your loop cuts and then all that, and I'll do that for now. I'll show you what we're doing, and then instead of using just the image, using this image and saying, okay, that's basically the building, I will then take the stuff out and texture it based on what I see, and then rebuild it using a cube and rebuild the buildings that way, so that you just use these as guides, and then you get rid of these things, and the thing looks a lot better than just using these images. So the images aren't the best. Like I said, if you need a quick building, fine. If not, then you need to actually go down and do some. It's a bit more work, but it looks a lot better. All right, someone come in here. Can't just go into editing mode. Come in here and some loop cuts. I'll do this real quick so you can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. The loop cuts are hard to do because the PNG image in this thing is fairly long, so you got to kind of. So it's not too bad from this way. So I'm just going to just do one here. If you got something out of the tutorial, please hit like, and even better, subscribe so you're notified as more are uploaded. And if you'd like to explore the finished project, click on the link in the description below.